Hello, I'm Sabia from Techno Exponent. I've gone through your project and I've written my details in my proposal, and based on what I've understood from here, I'll be showing you a similar work that we are doing where the front end and the back end data management in between these two are being done through REST APIs. So let me just quickly show you how we are managing the CRUD operations in one of our projects. So this is the website that we are doing. Now this is the My Account section of an user. When once they logged in, they are redirected to this page. See, on this page, all the details of this user are just only listed. This is not an editable page, and the user can just view all his details. So no CRUD operations are being done here, it is only being displayed. Now let's go to edit account. Once when we reach the edit account, from here you can see that the user can edit his personal information. Now these two fields, that is the email address and the phone number, these are not editable by the user. That is, here we are using ACL. By applying ACL definitions for this user type, we are preventing him from adding, deleting or updating his email address or phone number. The rest of the fields that can be edited by the user are all these ones. And here message is also being shown that the user cannot update his email address or neither his phone number. So he can change his other details, like let's say we are changing this to city, I'm changing it to country, I'm changing it to something else, and then clicking on save. So once I do all this, you can see the profile was updated and the details get changed. Now this user can also evaluate or review different companies that are being listed on this. So let me just show you one of them. Let's say taking Water Factory for example, and I'm going to review this. So as you can see here, a notification is given, and if I accept it, here I can review this company. Now all these things are happening in the front end. So when I'm setting my reviews, we are all sending this data to the backend server through a REST API and being stored in the main admin, which only super admin of the website can access. The backend of this website has been developed with CodeIgniter PHP framework, and we are using MySQL database. In the front end, we are using AngularJS to retrieve and fetch the data, and for the front end dynamic part. And in between this, the data is being transferred through REST, and the data is being sent in JSON format. I've given a sample format that we are using for this website in my proposal, and you can check it, that the data, how it is returned, and that data is being passed on the front end and being displayed. Going back to your project scope, it will be greatly helpful if you can discuss in much more details about what needs to be done and what kind of application or management system that you are building. I understand that you want to disclose it privately, so please start communication through Upwork's chat, and we can get more details of the entire system and give you maybe a better recommendation. So thank you for listening to me. Looking forward to your message in Upwork. Thank you once again.